Have you ever seen a machine slice through a giant tree in seconds?
You're looking at the Arando Ostosilba elder chipper, doing what it does best, turning raw timber into clean, uniform chips without breaking a sweat. Conveyor belts, metal detection, full integration. It's like watching industrial poetry, designed to save time, cut costs, and keep things moving. If your operation needs muscle and brains, this is it. The sound is thunderous, cracking timber, grinding steel, and the pulsing engine combine in a brutal symphony of destruction. Massive logs vanish into the black belly of the grinder, torn apart into a cascade of fine wood particles. These fragments don't go to waste. Carried swiftly by a long conveyor belt, the wood mulch is thrown into the air and falls like a golden brown waterfall, piling up into a growing mountain of ground material. It is a transformation of raw forest strength into valuable mulch, ready to enrich soil, protect plants, and fuel sustainable reuse. Oh no. Funai, Maga. A terrifying moment happened in Batu Jamba when a timber truck suddenly tilted, causing a large log to fall onto the truck's cabin. Oh, Allah. Whoa. Oh, wow. The truck shook violently, almost flipping over in the middle of a dangerous curve, creating a tense and suffocating scene. Walla, oh ye, blah. Do you think the driver handled it well? Comment number 1 below. Woodles. What the halal beast? How many years old is it now, my god? I can't believe it's still hauling that massive load without snapping an axle. Let's just hope it doesn't cause any more trouble. With the cutting points pre-marked, the chainsaw descends swiftly. Without hesitation, each precise stroke slices the log into even, clean segments, fast and efficient. A thick spray of wood chips fills the air like a glittering mist of sawdust, dancing in the light. Fresh wood grain gradually emerges from each cut, spiraling patterns carved by time itself. The rich, raw scent of resin fills the space, evoking a sense of purity and origin, as if the tree had just awakened from a decades-long slumber. We fought way harder before. Every board starts with a cut, and that cut begins at the saw. The industrial saw is engineered for non-stop performance. Mounted on a rigid steel frame, its blade, circular or bound, slices through timber with flawless precision. Logs are fed in automatically. Sensors detect length, diameter, and grain direction. Software optimizes each cut to maximize usable yield. This isn't just sawing, it's lumber engineering. In one shift, a single saw can process thousands of board feet, ready for construction, furniture, or flooring. Accuracy, speed, repeatability, and with safety guards, blade enclosures, and real-time monitoring, the operator stays protected while the machine keeps moving. This is where trees become proper. This is the industrial sawmill in motion. Let's take a look at the Albach Diamant 2000. It's got a 790 horsepower MAN engine and is making wood chips for a 2.9 megawatt power plant. It can handle about 330 to 350 cubic meters of wood per hour, and that's a lot. It's doing a good job, but a bigger in-feed belt could help it work even faster.